Would you like to change the measurement units of your Audi, but you don't know how to do so? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you how to change the measurement unit speed, distance, temperature, pressure, consumption and capacity to your preferences. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi M Online menu and scroll down to Settings. Go to Measurement Units. You can now change the measurement unit speed, distance, temperature, pressure, consumption and capacity to your preferences by clicking on the measurement unit you would like to change. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.